My name is Imtiaz Rastgar, and I am from the manufacturing sector. I have established manufacturing companies, run them, then established machinery distribution companies and machinery service companies. So I come here with a lot of background, and with that background uh, and my interaction with people in the financial community, within the management community, I realized that there are certain things which need to be brought to the attention of people who manage large concerns, who manage the purchases of large concerns, and who take financial decisions on investments, on capital expenditures. So for people like you, I have written this book. And this book is like a checklist where I have helped people to save millions of dollars on energy costs and on capital purchases costs by my various advice. And now I have summed up that advice here in this book. Just to give you a short idea about one small chapter here in this book, it reads, energy costs make up 77% of the total cost of ownership of your air compressor. People make the wrong assumption that the major cost of compressed air is in the initial purchase of the machine, which people in the financial community, in the management community, they call it capex. In reality, electricity, lube oil, spares, and service to operate the equipment over time is far more expensive than the initial cost of the machine itself. So, how do you account for that? I have given a small chapter here which gives you a diagram of what you can save or what you will be spending actually over 5 years when you make a purchase decision to buy an air compressor. And similarly, there are other things. Here is a chapter on capital expenditure. So what I've written is capex plus plus, because people like you in the financial community, cost accountants, you know what is capex. But beyond capex, if you make one wrong capex decision, what it is going to cost you over the next 5 years. So there are several things which people who are making financial decisions, they need to keep in view before they make a decision. And mainly also it is energy and sustainability. About energy and sustainability, 80% of the energy going into an air compressor is converted into heat. And that heat, where can you use it in the process? And many times, your engineers may not come to you with that solution. You may need to ask them certain questions before you get to the right purchase decision. And there are many other things like quality, quantity of air, many other things. So for people in the management cadres, in the C-suite, you need to have this book as your checklist. It is available in hard copy on Amazon. You can order it and you will benefit. It's not in thousands of dollars, you will benefit in millions of dollars. So for senior people in decision-making cadres, this book is just 41 chapters and only 41 pages. It is to the point, information I have condensed to the point where a senior manager can read it initially in just 1 hour, but then keep it in your drawer for that point when you have to make a purchase decision for air compressors, or you have a board meeting where something concerning compressed air is. And also important for people in the cost accounting community, it's important that it will also bring to your attention several points with regard to how you can gather data and how you can apportion your costs of compressed air to your product cost. So that is also something which will come out of this. This would be a handy book to keep in your drawer for the time you need it. And initially, it just a small price and 1 hour of your time. Thank you very much.